So 26 bones in each foot, and the way we like to adjust feet is we basically just want to find areas in the foot that aren't moving properly and make them move properly. And it takes a little while just because there's so many different bones. Right inside here. And especially as a personal trainer on your feet all day, you can definitely cause a little bit of discomfort. Right inside here.
Oh.
There. Oh, that one got a no. So that was your talus right inside there. So the talus is, ooh, that's way better. Talus is one of the only bones inside the body, but especially inside the ankle, that doesn't have any muscle attachments onto it. So it's more prone to becoming dislocated or just falling out of alignment like that, which will screw up your entire gait when it's like that.